Greetings. Today is May 20th, and this is your COVID-19 update. I am pleased to report that the final staff member who had tested positive for coronavirus has been released by health officials and can return to work. At the present time, there are no known cases of COVID-19 at ACV among members or staff. There are, however, 160 known cases of the virus in Suwannee County. We continue to look for ways we can ease restrictions on campus within the guidelines set by the state. Beginning today, we reopened Rumpf Dining Room to accommodate limited midday meal dining. Tables have been appropriately spaced and seating is restricted to 3 per table. For those who desire to continue to enjoy their meal at home, we do offer our carry-out services and meal delivery for those with specific needs. Please be patient with the staff as we learn how to accommodate you during this changed environment. At the present time, the Lope and Gopher remains closed for dining on the premises. Efforts are being made to develop a plan to reopen the Copeland Community Center, again with restrictions. The projected opening date is Tuesday, May 26th. There will be reduced hours and a partial list of activities available. Use will be by reservation only. Again, consult your Friendly Neighbor News for additional information. Plans are also being developed to open the village library and some activities that are for 10 or fewer people. As procedures are finalized, we will provide additional information through these updates and through the Friendly Neighbor News. As we continue to look at easing restrictions on campus, please understand that these new policies relate to members only. The facilities remain closed to non-members at least through the end of May. As we work to open the campus, let me stress that this does not mean the threat of COVID-19 entering the campus has diminished. As the governor has eased restrictions in his orders, he has continued to encourage seniors and those who are vulnerable to follow the original guidelines and only go out for essential services. The governor has also mandated many of the limitations that come with our opening various services. He continues to stress the importance of maintaining distances, wearing masks in public, and following good hygiene practices. His message and ours has not changed in that regard. Again, the risk of getting the virus does continue. New cases are added each day, but the curve has been flattened so hospitals can manage the number of people infected. I remind you that the greatest risk to the community comes from the virus being introduced from someone from the outside either visiting the community or a member or staff getting it and bringing it with them. As we have seen, many people who are infected are symptom-free. Thank you for your patience. It is difficult for all of us to continue to live and serve under these conditions. We are working diligently to balance the desires of getting back to a sense of normalcy with the mandates from the state and the needs of the community. As always, for questions pertaining to your particular situation, please consult your service coordinator. Our next scheduled update will be Friday, May 22nd.